In this special Law of Attraction video, we're going to share a secret formula, a formula that is powerful, that will help you manifest what you desire quickly and with less effort. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, listen closely to what I'm about to say. Here's a technique that I've used with clients, with entrepreneurs, and it has helped them make piles of money and do it quickly. When you understand this technique, you'll be able to use it in any area of your life. But first, listen to this. The universe is responding to the vibrational attitude that you are emitting. The more joyful you are, the more well-being flows to you, and you can get to choose the details of how it flows. The more joyful you are, the more joyful you are. We're talking about law of attraction success. We're talking about manifesting faster than ever before. That's what we're talking about. So let's start with understanding that the law of attraction works not just with thoughts. While thoughts are things, it goes beyond that. Neville Goddard says, you manifest through your feelings, high flyers. Your feelings. What are you feeling? And it is your feelings that connect with the infinite field of potential to help you manifest what you desire. I have clients that will call me and say, Robert, I said my affirmations 100 times, or I did the 5 by 55, I wrote it down. And then I will pause for a moment. And I will say, what were you feeling? Well, I don't know. I was just writing it down. So what I will usually do is have them take that 5 by 55 notebook and throw it in the trash. Because what I'm really concerned about is intensity of feeling. Now, the real question is, how do we feel? We feel through our senses. This is the law of attraction secret formula. This is how the law of attraction really works. You connect to the universe. In other words, what you are emitting, vibrational emitting, what you are emitting to the universe is matching you. And you are getting exactly what you are putting out. You are receiving exactly what you are vibrating. And that's the key. You can write it 5 by 55 times, 1,000 times, but if you're not vibrating the right energy, you're not manifesting much. So let's take a look at this. How do we feel? Neville says we have to feel it. We have to act as if the wish were fulfilled. You need to write that down. Act as if the wish is fulfilled. Write it right below here. I am acting as if the wish is fulfilled. You notice it starts off with I am. I am. It's present tense. It's not I hope, someday, maybe tomorrow. You know, it's interesting. It's interesting. I go through the internet, and there was a young girl who said, I've never studied the law of attraction. I don't know anything about it, but I have a job interview. What can I do tomorrow? And everybody was telling her, well, there's not much you can do. You don't know that much yet. You haven't studied it. You're coming in at the last minute. Why didn't you prepare weeks and months ago? And so I wrote her a private letter. And I said to her, I want you to absolutely believe with every fiber of your body that you already have the job, that it's already yours. And so she went in for the interview, and she texted me back, and she said, it was like a conversation. We just talked. A few days later, they called her in and made her an offer. She beat out over 300 people, probably many of whom had been writing the 5x55 or doing some other program. And look, they're all good. I'm not putting them down. I teach them. But I have to emphasize, high flyers, I teach them in the proper context. If you don't emotionalize, if you don't act as if you don't absolutely and totally believe with every fiber, every cell, every molecule of your body that you already possess what you desire, then you're still trying. You're still hoping. And the universe will give you more trying. The universe will be happy to give you more hoping. The universe is a very simple mirror. It reflects exactly what you put out. So how do we amplify? How do we amplify our feelings? How do we turn it up to its maximum potential so that we can apply the law of attraction secret success formula and speed up manifestation faster than ever before? And so, high flyers, what I want to talk to you about right now is an affirmation. But it's not just any affirmation. It's a powerful, unique affirmation that you haven't even created yet. It starts with the words, I am. I am. It assumes through your inner belief system that you already own the new car that you desire. I am the proud owner of a new Cadillac. Very simple. Very, very simple. But we're not done yet. Oh, you've seen that on a number of channels. We are not done yet, high flyers. Now we're going to add gasoline. We're going to add fuel. We're going to add rocket. Forget the gasoline. We're going to add rocket fuel to the affirmation. We're going to empower it in such a way that it speeds up the law of attraction for you in an amazing way. I mean, amazing. I had to stop doing an affirmation, and I had to take the affirmation and write it in reverse because new cars kept coming into my life, you know? I mean, a new Cadillac, a new Jeep. I don't need anything else new. But new offers and new opportunities kept coming up, kept showing up. And I had to literally write an affirmation that says, I am satisfied. I am happy right where I'm at. This manifestation is huge. It's going to be massive for you. So take a moment. Take a deep breath. And center down. What is it you really desire? What is it that you desire more than anything else in this world? Perhaps it's a relationship. Perhaps it's a specific person. Perhaps it's your ex. Perhaps it's your business, your career. Perhaps it has something to do with your health. I don't know. That's up to you. You choose. And then you're going to write an affirmation. I am. I am enjoying driving my new BMW, whatever car you enjoy, Jeep, whatever it is. I am living in my new dream house, and I'm so happy and excited. I am in an incredible, loving relationship with my soulmate. Okay, every one of those affirmations, high flyers, every one of those are written in present tense, but we're not done yet. We have to empower the affirmation. It's not just good enough to write it up. You need to empower it. You need to give it some rocket fuel. And so we're going to anchor that affirmation to positive sounds, sights, feelings, tastes, and smells. Because remember, as Neville said, it's our feelings that connect to the infinite field of potential, to the universe. It's our feelings, not just our words, not just what's coming out of here, but what's coming out of our energy field. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that affirmation. I'm enjoying driving my new car. I'm keeping it pretty simple for you. I am enjoying, I am in love with driving my new car. That's simple enough. I am in love with driving my new car. Now I'm going to put some music on. I'm going to put some music on that I might want to listen to while I'm on the highway. You know, I have different kinds of music. I love highway music. It's got that beat to it. It just gets you in a groove, and all of a sudden you've driven 100 miles. And it just seems like almost a minute or two. I mean, time goes by so fast. So I'm going to find some special music that I absolutely love. And I'm going to play this music over and over and over again. I'm going to listen to it in my headset. I'm going to block out the world. Okay? I'm not multitasking, high flyers. I'm blocking out the world. I'm closing my eyes. I'm listening to this music. The only other thing that's taking place is I'm repeating this affirmation. But now I'm going to add some sight. I'm going to visualize driving my new car. I'm listening to the music. I'm driving my new car. I see the road. I see the car. I see the leather interior. I see how happy and safe my family is in this big, beautiful Cadillac Escalade. So then I'm going to do that. So now I've added sound and I've added sight, but I want to touch. Now, this is very important. You could visualize touching, but what I recommend is that you go get a massage if you can, or have somebody give you a shoulder rub. While you're getting that massage, and this is what I do. I literally have the massage therapist come over to the house, and I have a massage table in our healing room. And I get on the massage table, I close my eyes, I put on the music, and I visualize what it is that I'm manifesting while she or he is working on my back and my legs. Perhaps you don't have a massage therapist. How about a nice warm bath? How about walking barefoot on the grass? Anything that has a tactile sensation. And what are you doing? What are you doing while you are feeling this energy? While you are seeing it? While you are hearing it? You are repeating your affirmation over and over again. But I'm not done yet, high flyers, because my favorite food is Belgian chocolates. I love chocolates from Belgium. I know all you high flyers out there in Belgium now want my address so you can send me some. But here's what happens. I take just one piece of that chocolate, put it in my mouth. Oh, that's good. Oh, maybe I'm in a nice warm bath, so I feel the touch sensation. I'm visualizing. So now my sight is being applied. And I have the music playing, the special music. Now I have sight, sound, touch, taste, And of course, last but not least, I may want to have a special incense going. Now, even as I'm working in here right now in this office, I have a scent going. These candles are scented. And I happen to love that scent. It's a spice scent, has a little bit of cinnamon. It fires me up. Okay, so find a scent that you relate to, that makes you feel fired up and absolutely certain. And then repeat your affirmation all the time using those different anchors, those different scents. When you hear them automatically, when you hear the music or see a picture or taste something, you'll automatically fire off that anchor. But more importantly, you can amplify one single affirmation and make it stronger than it has ever been before. You can manifest faster than ever before. This is one of the things I teach business people how to do. Take 30 minutes in their office, entrepreneurs. They take 30 minutes in their office and they focus on their 5 senses. They incorporate. Sometimes you can't incorporate touch, for example. Sometimes you can't incorporate sound. Maybe you can't incorporate smell, but involve as many. And don't just visualize the 5 senses. Have tools around. Have tools around like music, headset, pictures for sight or videos, things for touch like, how about a nice warm blanket, a soft blanket, anything that is tactile. Taste. I like the Belgian chocolates, but for you it might be something else. And smell, something that involves your scent. Use all of them or use as many of them as you can while you are repeating the affirmation over and over again. You are adding massive amounts of nitroglycerin to nitroglycerin. Man, that'll explode all over the place, right? TNT to your affirmation. You are blowing up the universe, and the universe is just flooding you with what you desire, and it's happening quickly. It's happening without effort. Yes, there's work involved, but it's fun work. Now, take that one affirmation. Do it. Add those 5 senses to it. Do it for 28 days. You're going to be absolutely shocked. I mean shocked at how strong and how powerful this manifestation technique is. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.